Yum, yum, yum. I've got golden cod cakes here with garlic mayonnaise. So you just take a little bit of mayonnaise, you put it on one of your cod cakes. They're just beautiful and golden. Look at that. Lots of cod in there, or any other whitefish will do. And that's delicious. And they're so quick and easy to make. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. Now, since the whole dish is so quick to prepare and cook so quickly, I like to make the mayonnaise ahead of time so it's all done and off to the side. Not that it takes long either. What we have here is a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 clove of garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and a dash, which is like 2 pinches of pepper. And then we're going to drop in about 3 or 4 drops of Tabasco sauce. So let's just mix it all together. Garlic goes into the mayo, the basil, the pepper, and of course let's mix that in a bit. Just combine it. There, ooh, smelling good. And then just a couple of drips. 1, 2, 3. That was about 4 there. Perfect. All right. Mix that in. And then put it in a nice little container to put on the table. And that's it. Our mayonnaise is ready. Next comes the fish. Very good. Very good indeed. All right. So that we'll put on the table with a little tiny spoon to serve it with. Perfect. Let's go put that aside for right now. All right, let's come back and make the fish. All right, now to make the fish cakes, here's the ingredients we have. What we have here is 8 ounces or 220 grams of cod or any other white fish. And what we're going to do over here, we've got some boiling water. We're just going to keep that about simmer. And we're going to dump the fish in there. And we want to just cook that fish 1 or 2 minutes just till it becomes opaque. So, in the meantime, let's go over the other ingredients. Here, this is for frying the fish cakes. We'll put that aside. That is 1/4 cup of olive oil. We have 1 egg, 1/4 of an onion minced, 1/2 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of basil, dried basil. Again, a dash, 2 pinches of salt, and a dash or 2 pinches of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to drop in a couple of drops of Tabasco. So let's get our bowl. Let's mix all these ingredients together. We got the flour, the onion. Just going to put all the dry ingredients in here first. Oh, a little salt stuck in there. Get that out. And the baking powder. And I'm just going to take the whisk and mix that together. I'm going to crack in the egg. It looks like our fish is getting opaque already. So that's going to be ready in a minute. Break up that egg. There we go. And then, out you go, boys. Now what we're going to use, one of my favorite wooden spatulas to mix everything together, or a wooden spoon. It's kind of makes a bit of a stiff dough right now, but we're going to add that fish in a minute. All right, let's get some of these things out of the way. I'll put the Tabasco sauce in last because I think our fish is ready. Let's have a look at that. That's looking quite ready. Yeah, it's going to start falling apart. That's perfect what we want. We want it to flake. I'm going to give it just a half a minute more. Just throw in some of that Tabasco sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Whoa! Okay, that's going to be a bit spicy. All right, about 3 or 4 thereabouts. Really depends on how much spice you want in there. Okay. A little bit of dry flour still kicking around there. Come on. Get in. Combine. All right. That fish has got to be ready. Look at that. So what I'm going to do is just use a slotted spoon. Bring that out. Drop it in here. Get some more out. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Then we can turn that off. Drop the fish in there. That goes in there. All right, we're going to get all that delicious fish. Okay. All right. Now, just going to break that fish up. And what we're going to do is just mixing it and our flour, etc. mixture. We just want to mix it all together until it's well combined. All right. Okay, I'm going to get the frying pan ready here. We'll be back in a minute and we'll cook up our fish cakes. All right, we got the big frying pan here. I'm going to put in the olive oil and I'm going to bring it up to a medium-low heat. All right, now I just want to warm up that olive oil a bit. I've switched to my wooden spoon for scooping out. You want to scoop out an amount like about that. You don't want these fish cakes to be huge, about like that. And now let's just wait for that oil to heat up. All right, that oil is starting to shimmer on the surface a bit. Fragrance is coming off, perfect. So now we just plop these in here. Just scoop out some of the batter, plop it into the oil. All right, now they're in there. Take a spatula, just kind of flatten them down. All right, those are all flattened down now. Now, I'm going to let those cook on one side, that medium to medium low, a little bit up towards the medium. Just keep an eye on it. You want to cook them for about 4 minutes. All right, those have been cooking 4 minutes. Let's flip them over. Okay, so now we've got them on the other side. Another 4 minutes, and then dinner is ready. All right, so 4 minutes on the other side. These are ready. All I do is just take them out and put them on a plate with some paper towel just to take off the excess oil from underneath. And then they're ready to serve up. In fact, you can just take them to the table like this and everybody can help themselves. Or serve them up on some nice little plates. And of course, we've got that garlic mayonnaise to go on the side. Oh, look at those. Yes. That's going to be a fantastic dinner. Enjoy. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for Golden Cod Cakes with garlic mayonnaise on our website. So go print out the recipe. Have fun making and eating this delicious treat and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.